today we are making cheesy embutido rolls, a delightful twist on the traditional lumpia Shanghai with loads of cheese for that ooey-gooey experience. Something delightful to share to your family. Let's start cooking. Simple, simple. Prepare everything ahead of time. And we have here bread crumbs. Is around a half cup. Milk, fresh milk, and 2 eggs. This will keep our filling moist. Mix, mix, mix. And let the breadcrumbs absorb all the moisture from our milk and our eggs. And now, we have our ground pork with around 20% fat. Not all fat, not all lean. 20% fat, 20% lean. Add our veggies. So I have here minced carrots, our onions, red bell peppers. You can add raisins if you want, but today I'm not adding raisins, but I have pickle relish. Mix all that. Combine, combine. And I will add sugar for that bit of sweetness. Reminds you of the embutido. And to season, just a bit of magic. Yan. Black pepper. Mix everything together. We don't want our pork to be too salty because we are adding grated cheese to this. So let's just mix to combine. Once that's combined, it's time to add our breadcrumbs, eggs, and milk mixture. Adds volume to our mixture, but also will keep it moist and nice and bouncy. Just be sure to mix everything thoroughly. So the key here is to emulsify, no? I will just grate my cheese. I will just grate it. So I will just mix everything here. Make it as cheesy as you want. You can dice it or you can grate it just like what I'm doing. Mix everything together. Be sure to mix thoroughly so that the cheese is evenly spread throughout the meat mixture. Yan. Reach into the bottom of your bowl so that you have everything mixed evenly. Yan! We're done. And we are now ready to roll. First and foremost, we make our paste, our adhesive to seal our lumpia. It's just a combination of flour and water. Not cornstarch, but flour. So equal parts. Mix, 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 mix. So it's 4 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of water. And you have that nice paste. My lumpia wrapper. So the key here is not to make your lumpia so fat, manipis lang, so you don't have to worry that it will become raw inside, no? So the key really is having your lumpia wrap, 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 fold, and your adhesive, paste. And here we are. First one, be sure to make even sizes so that they cook at the same time. Okay. Just continue to roll. Probably I'll make around 25 to 30 pieces of this and we'll begin cooking. Now we are ready to fry our cheesy embutido rolls. Hot oil, but not too hot because we don't want to burn the wrapper right away, no? So we want the embutido, the filling, to cook through. And the way to determine if it's already cooked or not is you will notice that your lumpia, your spring rolls begin to float. Medium-high heat, so you know that you cook the lumpia from the inside and also outside. So it's still moist, but fully cooked inside, but your wrapper is totally crispy. And I smell the cheese, I smell the pimiento, the red bell peppers, I smell the pickle. So it's really like a fried embutido with a very crisp crust. Looks good, no? Oh, this one's floating. It's done. Set aside. Let the excess oil drip off. Make sure that it drips, but do not cover them. Do not stack it one above the other. So It does a trap steam, so it stays crispy. Yeah. And now we're ready to plate our cheesy embutido rolls. Are you ready to taste? I am ready to taste. But before I bite into it, I will just cut to show you what it looks inside. It is fully cooked. I'm ready. Tastes like a good embutido and a very good lumpia Shanghai in one. It's so good. You can try this very delicious, simple recipe, ating cheesy embutido rolls. Simpol!